Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the About Phone section. It is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as you can see, here we've got the About Phone section, so here we can check the model, the build number, hardware version, SID or MSPL version, so quite technical info, I would say. So let me get back and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It is *##, 225, ###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we will have all the events gathered in the one place. Unfortunately, I did not have any events saved on my device, that's why we cannot check it, but no worries. I assure you that if you've got events saved or something, then they will for sure appear right here, and you will be able to check, for example, some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check them, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the project menu, and at the same time this code is the longest one, so it is *##, 2846 and then 579 ###. And as I said, we are in the project menu, so here we've got some background settings, veneer informations, network information query, software upgrade, the restore factory or battery charge. So as you can see, again, some technical info. So here you can enter the background settings. Here we've got some USB port settings. Also in the veneer information, you've got the version info or manufacturer info. You can restore the factory or check the battery charge. And as you can see, you can check the battery level or the temperature. Of course, you can scan this QR code and check how it and you can check some further details. That's what I wanted to say. Alright, so actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.